Chapter 6 On-Level Test, Multiple Representations. Complete the table, graph, and equation for the given word problem. Number 1, word problem. Papa John's is having a sale on delivered pizzas. Each pizza is $10. Discrete or continuous, additive or multiplicative. Number 2, the table below shows the relationships between B, the number of slices of bread, and C, the total number of calories in the bread. Which equation represents the relationship between B and C? A, C equals 70B. B, C equals B plus 70. C, C equals 140B. D, C equals B plus 140. Number 3. Which graph represents the relationship between x and y in the equation y equals 3x? Hint: use the equation to fill in the xy table first. Number 4. If you connect points C, D, and E to make a triangle, which ordered pair would be located inside the triangle and in which quadrant is it located? A, -2, 1, quadrant 2. B, -2, -2, quadrant 3. C, 1, -2, quadrant 3. D, 2, -2, quadrant 4. Underline the independent variable and circle the dependent variable in each statement. Then label each one with an X or Y appropriately. 5. The number of days since your last haircut and the length of your hair. 6. The grade you earned on a test and the amount of time you studied. Determine if each relationship is an additive or multiplicative relationship. Then write an equation for each table. Number 9. Which point is located 4 units away from point B and in quadrant 2? A, point A. B, point C. C, point D. D, none of these. Number 10. Which real-world situation can be represented by the equation y equals 6x? A. Seth buys pencils that come in packs of 6. He gets Y total pencils for buying X packs. B. Grace buys trading cards that come in packs of 6. She gets X total trading cards for buying Y packs. C. Claire has 6 pens, and she buys X more. She now has a total of Y pens. D. Jackson has 6 juice drinks, and he buys Y more. He now has a total of X juice drinks. Number 11. Dawson created 4 data tables for different numbers of apples and oranges. Which table shows an additive relationship? A, 1 and 2 only. B, 1 and 3 only. C, 1, 2, and 3 only. D, 1, 3, and 4 only. Number 12. The following table shows a relationship between x and y. Which of the following equations describes the relationship between x and y? A, y plus 1 and 5/10 equals x. B, y equals x over 1 and 5/10. C, y equals 1 and 5/10 x. D, y equals 1 and 5/10 minus x. 13. In which quadrant is the ordered pair 2, -5 located? A1, B2, C3, D4. Number 14. Hannah was 4 years old when Cole was born. The table below shows the difference in their ages. Which of the following equation describes the relationship of Cole's age in terms of Hannah's age? Cole's age x, Hannah's age y. A, y equals 4x. B, y equals x minus 4. C, y equals x plus 4. D, y equals x over 4. The table below shows the cost for student admission to Times Square Theater. Student movie tickets, number of tickets T, cost C. Which list shows the independent quantities from the table? A. $5.75, $11.50, $17.25, $23. B. 1. $5.75, 2. $11.50, 3. $17.50, 4. $23. C. 1, 2, 3, 4. D. $6.75, $12.50, $20.25, $27. Number 16. Which table shows an independent quantity of 3 with a correspondent dependent quantity of 6? Number 17. Which answer choice below represents the relationship between x and y? Input x, output y. A. Y equals x plus 11. B. Y equals 3x. C. Y equals 11x. D. Y equals x minus 11. Number 18. The coordinate grid shows P, Q, R, and S. All of the coordinates for these points are integers. What is the value of the x coordinate of point P? A 2, B 6, C negative 6, D negative 2. 19. A coordinate grid is shown below. Which ordered pair describes a point that is located 3 units to the right of the origin and 1 unit below the x-axis? A 3, 1, B negative 3, negative 1, C negative 3, 1, D 3, negative 1. Number 20. 4 points are graphed on the coordinate grid. Which ordered pair is not a point on the above graph? Hint: convert the improper fractions to mixed numbers first. A. 5 over 2, negative 3. B. Negative 1, negative 1.5. C. 3 over 2, 2. D. Negative 4, 1/2. Bonus, worth 2 points per answer. Square ABCD has an area of 9 square units. If point C is located at 0, 0, what are the coordinates of the other 3 points? Point A, point B, point D. Hint: area equals side times side.